Hey guys, this is just another update on my 96 Mitsubishi Eclipse. I got all the paint done, most of it actually, just the middle console, and I got the new side steps done. Show them that if you can. I'll let you hold this too. Okay, so that didn't take me too long, but when you're painting something, you just have to take your time. Don't put too much paint on at once. But right now, guys, we're taking some panels off, and I actually took my speedometer out. Go ahead and show them that. And I'm just over there painting the inside of that. I'll show you guys that when we get to it. But yeah, as you guys can see right now, we're just kind of taking these panels out. These things are really easy to come out, but they're also really easy to break. So be careful when taking them out. Just make sure that you pop all these down here first, just like that. You hear a nice little pop. And then what I like to do is move the seat back. You'll be messing with this seat the whole time. It's pretty annoying. And then you just go ahead and go up farther, pop these out. Like I said, you'll be moving the seat back and forth. And then you want to lift up on it, and the rest of them should pop. And then there's the panel. Go ahead and take that for me. Got my associate here with me doing the recording. Glad to have him so I don't have to be holding you guys with one hand.
You really can't see anything, but
This one I already had pretty much out. Alright, so now that these are out of the car, we'll go and show you what we're going to do with them. Alright guys, so here's what I'm painting so far. Go ahead and show them that one sitting on. Really what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're just painting the little inserts for the speakers here. I don't want to paint the entire panel, just because I think it's too much. But you guys can really do whatever you want. What I choose to do is these things just pop right out. And I'll clean that panel really good before I put it back in. I already cleaned it once, but this place is really dirty. So yeah, this is just first coat, really thin coat. Said thin twice.
of course you did.
Oh, this one has more of these doohickeys on it. My fingers are really cold, so it hurts. Go ahead and push those back, and it pops right out.
Ooh.
And you don't drop panels like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So now these are ready. It's pretty cold out, guys, and I know what you're thinking. You shouldn't be painting when it's cold out. I know. I just want to get this done before tomorrow. I have to get my speedometer back in by tomorrow because I'm going to need to drive my car tomorrow. But yeah, this coat's already dry, so I'll get ahead and spray those again. I probably should not be spraying these at the same time over here. Do we have like a box or something? That'll work. Try not to hit my door. One more? That one has the... My dad's gonna kill me. I'm just dropping all my stuff on the floor. Alright, so we'll go ahead and spray these first. Just kind of quick little video. There's the first coat. Kind of mess a little bit right here. Alright, that's the first coat for that. Then we'll go back over here to the boundary gauge. See if that's dry. And just touch it a little bit. Seems to be dry. That was the last thing I painted. Black. That actually looks really good already. I probably only have to put one more coat on that. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, actually I missed a spot right there. Morning will come and I'll be all, wow, why did I put this back in my car? But you know what? That's okay. I'll just respray it. Yeah, my light's still on.
My God, kid.
Okay, go ahead and give this another spray. Get on this side. I'll have to choose my sides before I start. Sorry.
It's all good, man.
Alright, so that one's done for now. Might have to put maybe a few more coats on that.
Couldn't make this so funny.
Okay, and then we'll put another coat on that. These panels like to soak up the paint, so you just really have to lay it on there.
Wonder what your mom would say if I came in with freaking the front of my pants painted white.
What have you guys been doing?
Right?
Mom, we're hungry. There's so much room in this garage.
Yeah, I don't know why your dad wants to freaking expand it.
I think I'm kidding, there's no room.
I mean, if there was like less stuff in here, yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait for the 2-car garage.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be sweet.
Gonna be running out of paint again.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, Jesus.
That's gonna look like cookies and cream in the morning.
Yep, I sprayed it too heavy right there. Totally sandable. My hands are cold. Thanks for pointing that out on the video, Vic. Make me look like an idiot.
Keep forgetting we're recording.
Look how bad Matt sprays. Alright, so anyway guys, that was just a little update going on, so I'll have to update you guys again in a couple days, probably maybe actually in the morning, show you how this turned off. How this turned out, guys. Wish I could talk. Alright guys, well peace out.